Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. I have a good one for you today. The tastiest sweet and sour chicken ever. It is so juicy and delicious. First, I'm going to peel this pineapple. This recipe tastes way better with fresh pineapple than canned pineapple. Now, after you finish peeling the pineapple, you want to slice the pineapple into small pieces, about an inch. For this recipe, you need 1 cup. Here I have my chicken breasts already cleaned and washed and cut into medium-sized chunks. Marinate for 30 minutes with these ingredients. Next, to make the sauce, you need fresh lemon juice, sugar, white vinegar, minced garlic, grated ginger, ketchup, and sweet chili sauce. Cut the vegetables into medium-sized square chunks. Here I'm using red, green, and yellow bell peppers and white and red onions. Now go ahead and deep fry the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Here I'm using grapeseed oil. When done, remove the chicken and place on parchment paper and set aside. Next, I'm going to saute the vegetables for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can use some of the same oil that you used to fry the chicken in, but I like to use sesame oil. It adds more flavor to the chicken. Add the sauce and simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Next, add the chicken pieces and start to coat the chicken with the sauce and remove from the stove.